kitchen. Jody is cooking. Me like how she a go on. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some sweet chili jerk chicken. Yes. So guys, in my bowl right here, I've got at least 5 chicken quarter that I already washed and cleaned in some lemon juice with vinegar. These are all of my fresh seasoning. Here I have at least 2 tablespoons of my fresh thyme, 2 stalk of scallion, half onion, some pimento seed, half spice, and that's just over 1 tablespoon. I also have some scotch bonnet pepper right there, but I'm not gonna use all of it because we all know that scotch bonnet pepper is really spicy. I have some wet jerk seasoning from the bottle, and this is at least over 1/4 cup. Some powder seasoning. I have jerk powder seasoning. Also have smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and all-purpose seasoning, and that's just 1 teaspoon. Okay, some olive oil, 2 tablespoons of my olive oil, ketchup, 1 tablespoon, and some browning, and this is just gonna allow the chicken to have a nice color. Okay, if you don't have browning, you can also use dark soya. Guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I'll really appreciate it. Stay tuned. Thank you all so much in advance. So guys, this is the amount of scotch bonnet pepper that I'll be using. I'm not gonna use everything because it is super spicy. I'm just gonna blend up my dry ingredients. Everything is all washed. Okay, garlic, pimento seed. I'm gonna add my onion now that I cut, and I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of my vinegar, my olive oil. You can also use vegetable oil, some ginger, this amount, some fresh ginger, this at least 1 tablespoon. I also add 1 tablespoon of my water, or just over 1 tablespoon. My browning, 1 tablespoon of my brown sugar, just to balance out the taste. And I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together like so, and I'm just gonna add it. This way just more quicker, guys. I'm not gonna add all my seasoning. I'm gonna leave back some for my sauce. That's it. I'm just gonna cover it up now. And guys, if you don't have a food processor, you can also use a blender. Okay, just start it out very slow. So guys, this is what it look like after I finish. It look amazing. And it smells so good. So guys, I'm just gonna add some olive oil onto my chicken, at least 1 tablespoon. Then I'm just gonna add my blended jerk seasoning. Just like so. And this is my jerk season from the bottle. And guys, it is optional. Okay, you don't have to add the jerk season from the bottle, but I choose to, because obviously I just show you guys, you know, you can also make your own jerk wet marinate at home also, but I just want to use it because this is more spicier. That's why I didn't use a lot of scotch bonnet pepper with this one that I just made, because I don't want it to be super spicy, because the one from the bottle is already spicy. Okay, yes. This is gonna be so delicious. And what you can do too, guys, you can also, you know, make some slice on your chicken. Just, you know, slice it a bit. Yeah, like so. You know, just cut a few slices. Yeah. So all this seasoning will go right in. Now I'm just gonna take my hand and just rub it all in. Make sure that everywhere is all covered with that jerk marinade. And guys, if you want to use a gloves, you use a gloves, okay? You don't have to use your bare hand. I mean, I'm used to it, so that's the reason why I'm using it. I'm using my hands only, but you can also use a gloves. You can leave it to marinate, guys, for at least 1 hour or even overnight. Now I'm gonna add my ketchup. I totally forgot to add my ketchup when I'm blending it all up, but it doesn't really matter. I still can add it just like so. And if you can lift this skin up also, you lift this skin up and just add the jerk marinade all in there. This is gonna be so flavorful, guys. Super flavorful. Yeah, like that. So this is pretty much it, guys. I'm just gonna wash my hands now. It is nicely marinated, guys. Perfect. Guys, this is my baking tray that I'm gonna use to put in my oven for my jerk chicken. And what I did, I put a grill over it because I want, when I jerk my chicken, I want it look as if it done outside. You know me I say? Yes. So guys, what I'm gonna do, here I have one of these Jamaican red stripe beer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add it at the bottom of it. So instead I use water, I'm gonna use Jamaican red stripe beer, okay? And if you don't have the Jamaican red stripe beer, it is optional. You just add some water instead. And it's just gonna keep it nice and moist, guys, and it's gonna add flavor, okay? You know, pour it. Then I'm gonna spray some olive oil on my grill so my chicken doesn't stick. So now I'm gonna add my chicken just like so.
When you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jolly cooking, delicious cooking. Hey, Jolly cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jolly Cooking. Delicious cooking. Jolly cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jolly cooking, delicious cooking. Jolly cooking.
If there's any seasoning, leave at the bottom of your pan. You can just add it, okay? So I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys, for at least 30 minutes, okay? And 180 to 190 degrees Celsius. Yeah, 30 to 35 minutes. So guys, in the oven it goes. Stay tuned. Guys, this is how my jerk chicken looks like. It's been in the oven for just over 35 minutes. Guys, I'm telling you, it is so juicy. This thing right here is gonna be so flavorful. Look at all that juice. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. What I did, I put some of my Jamaican red stripe beer in this spray bottle, and I was just, you know, spray it. And this way it's gonna be super nice also. I'm gonna flip it over because you want the other side to nice and brown, and I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 30 minutes. Okay, see the other side of it white, you want it to be brown up also. I'm gonna add some of my blended jerk marinade on top, and in the oven it goes. These are all of my ingredients to make my sweet chili sauce. So here I have at least 1 cup of tomato ketchup. I also have 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of my dark soya, some brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can also use granulated sugar, and that's over 2 tablespoons. Some white vinegar, just over 1 tablespoon, and some chili seed, and I'm using at least over 1 tablespoon. Okay, this sauce is gonna be so delicious, super yummy. So guys, I'm gonna make my sauce. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my Jamaican red stripe beer to my glass container right there. And if you don't have red stripe beer, guys, you can always use water. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so guys, I add at least over a 1/4 cup of my Jamaican red stripe beer. I'm gonna add my ketchup, then I'm gonna add my vinegar, my honey, and guys, the Jamaican red stripe beer, they're all over. You can get them online, you can get them from any Caribbean shop. Okay, and they're still also in the supermarket. They're everywhere. Dark soya, all my remaining seasoning, and my chili seed. Now I'm just gonna give it a stir. Make sure that everything is all combined. Okay, guys, this is it. I'm telling you, this is it. This sauce is turn up. And you can always taste it to your liking. Okay, if you need any more sugar, you can also add more sugar. If you need any ketchup, you can also add a bit more. And I'm also gonna add a small amount of my wet jerk seasoning. Try not to add too much because I don't want it to be, you know, super spicy. So this is done. I'm just gonna put it to the side. So now guys, I'm just gonna heat up my sauce for at least 3 minutes, okay, or until it comes to a boil. So my stove is on a medium heat. So guys, my sauce has come to a boil. So I'm just gonna turn off my stove. As you can see, it became nice and thick. And that's exactly what I want. Turn the stove off. And just allow it to cool, okay?
Come in the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan.
Guys, I just removed my jerk chicken back from the oven, and honestly guys, it looks so delicious. What I did, I flip it back over, okay? It is perfectly done. I'm just loving the color. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add my sauce, my sweet chili sauce that I have. I'm gonna pour it on there, and I'm gonna put it in the oven for 5 to 3 minutes, and it is ready, good to go.
Jody cooking straight from the kitchen.
Just gonna scrape the sauce on it. Guys, my sweet chili jerk chicken is all finished, and I'm telling you, it came out perfect. It is cooked to perfection. I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe, because I know you all are gonna enjoy it. I mean, just look at it. I'm just pouring some of that sweet chili sauce on top. Oh my goodness, this is like food prawn. Guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also share. Please guys, share this video to someone, to your families, to your friends. I'm sure that someone in your family or your friend will also enjoy this video. Do not keep it to yourself. It is so juicy, guys. It is super juicy and so nice. Oh my gosh, guys, you can serve it with some rice, some mashed potato, some salad, some festival, some Jamaican fried dumpling. Honestly, whatever you preferred. I'm gonna serve mine with some rice and peas, of course, and salad, because this was on a Sunday. Yes guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Love you all, but remember that Jesus Christ loves you even more.
Come in the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes.